Top 10 pickup trucks you need to see before you buy. Every year, truck makers push the limits of power, technology, and capability. But only a few earn a spot among the world's best. Here's the countdown. Number 10. Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's the only open-air pickup on this list. Number 9. Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Don't underestimate this mid-size beast. Number 8. Nissan Frontier. Simple, dependable, and surprisingly capable. Number 7. Toyota Tacoma. Famous for reliability that lasts hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 6. Ford Ranger Raptor. Inspired by desert racing, this truck combines massive power, long travel suspension, and incredible handling at high speeds. It's built for pure adrenaline. Number 5. Toyota Tundra. Strong, durable, and packed with modern technology. Its twin-turbo powertrain delivers serious performance while maintaining Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability. Number 4. GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Luxury meets capability. Premium materials, advanced technology, and impressive towing capacity make this one of the finest full-size pickups on the road. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Powerful engines, excellent towing capability, and innovative trailering features make the Silverado a favorite for work and recreation alike. Number 2. Ram 1500. Many call it the most comfortable pickup ever built. Its luxurious interior, smooth ride, and refined design make it feel more like a premium SUV than a work truck. And number 1. Ford F-150. The undisputed king of pickups. Legendary durability, best-in-class capability, cutting-edge technology, powerful engine choices, and decades of proven success have made the F-150 the world's benchmark for pickup trucks. So, which truck would you choose? Ford, Ram, Toyota, Chevrolet, or another favorite? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe for more epic vehicle countdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.